Squad, we're back here again with you guys to give you another dope lit video. As you already know, we come with the greatest content, so just make sure you subscribe, you like, you comment, and also share the video with all your friends and family, including the enemies that you do hate, because we need the views. Anyway, so today we have decided that we want to do the mask. Now, I love this mask. I got this mask for Christmas. I've been asking for this charcoal peel mask from Boshia, whatever you want to call it, forever. Now, I already did my mask, but we're going to have Wifey do the next mask. And we're going to show her reaction because she's never done this before. So we're going to see how this turns out. All right? We'll see y'all soon. Now we are waiting to take off lovely Wifey's face mask. And she is having the hardest time in America right now. Like, the hardest time. Explain how you feel.
This is torture.
First of all, you look kind of like an animal, but I won't say which animal you look like.
I can't even smile.
Oh my God. All right. Let's get to pulling this off. Are you ready?
No, just hurry
She's
up.
not ready. She's not. Okay, are you? I'm sorry, because it doesn't hurt me anymore because I do it several times, but let's see. I'm gonna hold your skin while I do it because I
You
know
already took the hair off your face.
Get closer to this.
Mine is still
Just a
stuck
little
to my
bit.
face.
Just a little bit. Ready?
Oh!
Ah! Oh!
Do not do that again, or you will not be able to do this.
I just wanted to do it quickly, but come on now. All right, slower then. All right. Yo, the crazy part is I didn't even pull anything, and you over here going, oh.
I'm tearing. I have tears in my eyes.
Okay.
Guess you're gonna be crying today.
Oh.
Wait, but I'm not even pulling anything. I'm not even pulling anything.
I'm gonna do it myself.
Come here. Come here.
Mommy, you
Come on, baby. Come on. It's just a little more. Because I'm almost to the part of your cheek where it's loose. I'm almost there.
I haven't even done half my face.
Are you laughing because it hurt? Like a
Oh my God.
Stop! I gotta do this. We gotta get it off.
Okay.
I'm holding it too.
Okay.
I'm holding it.
Okay.
Please stop. I'm holding it.
Give me a break.
All right, guys. It seems that we did have to take a little break because it was just a little bit too intense. But
A
in
little
my
I'm in tears.
in my opinion, that's what it takes to get beautiful, right, ladies?
This is what happens when you have a hairy face. Okay.
Okay.
Oh my God.
We got half of it off. Okay, so let's do the other half. You ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Breathe.
No, don't pull it
I'm
hard.
not.
Or fast. Don't do it fast.
I'm not. It's better to do it slow because it'll last longer for pain.
Okay. It's when you do it. I gotta do it myself.
I didn't even pull it.
Get out my face.
Let me hold your skin. Somebody has to hold your skin.
I'll do it.
You have to hold your skin or you're going to be having heart attacks again.
I'll hold it. Why is
Get in on this.
What happened
Get
to
on
this
real
part?
close on this.
What happened to this part here? That's OD. That's violation of my personal space. Please put the camera on that. Thank you.
Go ahead.
Nobody should be this close to me.
We're not close. Go ahead.
Oh my God. This should have like a warning label.
It does, actually. It does have a warning label, and it tells you not to do it if you have sensitive skin.
Oh my god.
Can I do it? Because I would have been done by now.
Oh, this is the part
like
that
this,
hurts the most. The cheek.
Just go.
Just do it.
3,
Just
2,
do it.
1. Do it for the gram. 2 for
Wait,
the
am I
gram.
gonna do it fast?
Do it for the gram.
Yeah. Quick.
2. It's like a
I
shot.
can't.
It's
Just
only
do
a
it.
pinch. It's only a pinch.
I'll let you do it since
Me?
I have done so much torture to you over the years by making you get immunizations and peeling off band-aids. You'll get-
Band-Aid.
Yes, I've had to do many of those for you. You get the pleasure of doing this. Okay. Don't touch me.
So bad.
Can I be able to pull the
But you didn't
rest?
do the one that hurt
She
the most.
did it. So, cause this is what happens when you want children to do things.
Okay. Okay.
Why are you screaming?
Because it hurts.
How hurt did it hurt?
How hurt did it hurt? See, it's quicker when it's fast.
I should have just let y'all see when I peeled my mask off.
You gotta
I
do
didn't
this
do
one.
all
You
that
gotta do this
crying.
one.
I did only
there
my
was
nose.
one point where I was like, but how my face look clearer? I know I still got to work on the nose here and maybe a little bit under the eyes, but it's cool. Oh, snap. I'm missing something.
A lot of.
All right, let's examine these.
Oh, guys, that's so gross.
Do you see hair on it? Because I swear to God, it ripped off every piece of hair.
Ew. Look how gross that is. Let me stop showing y'all that.
Oh my God, you have seen that inappropriateness?
What do you
I
find?
only see this stuff.
That is so disgusting.
Okay. This was torturous.
Explain how you felt doing your first ever peel.
Oh,
Charcoal peel. You're not gonna explain it to the people?
no, it was like getting a European.
Come on, you gotta be like
I felt like I just had a Brazilian.
a Brazilian.
Yeah, that's what it felt like. That's how much pain it was.
Wait. So you mean to tell me you doing this felt like a Brazilian wax?
Yes, absolutely.
A Brazilian. That's extreme. Like,
No, that's
because
what
the
it felt like
Brazilian
to me.
goes like all over the place. So,
Oh my goodness.
tell the people. Come back. Don't leave yet. Come on, tell the people.
Look how red my face is.
Yeah, they can see how red your face is. Tell the people what they need to do, because we about to end this video. I know it was pretty short, guys, but it's okay. We're going to keep coming out here with more content. Hopefully, we can start getting longer videos out there, but let the people know what they can do.
Not do this mask. And if you are, proceed with caution.
First of all,
And if you have a hairy face, do not even attempt it.
First of all, that's not what I want her to say. Actually, I want you guys to comment, like, and subscribe if you would love to see more videos like this where we're just out of the box doing what we'd love to do and just getting crazy and beautiful,
All
right?
right.
Oh,
Crazy and
she's
beautiful.
gone. Peace, guys.
So am I.